Place the wooden piece numbered 1 on the floor. Put wooden dowels in all wooden holes, cam locks in large wooden holes. Then attach cam screw in all the holes with white rings. Attach part 3, part 4 to part 2 as shown in the figure. Similarly, attach part 2, part 3 and part 4 to part 1 as shown and fasten cam locks. Then attach part 5 and part 5.1 to part 1 using wooden. Attach part 6 to part 1 as shown in the figure. Make sure that part 6 is properly aligned and is inside the wooden incision on part 1. Then attach part 7 and make sure that part 6 is inside the wooden incision of part 7. After that, fasten the cam locks. Part 1. Then attach part 8 to part 1 and part 7 by fastening up the cam locks. Then attach part 9 to part 5.1 using wooden dowels and fastening up the cam lock. Similarly, attach part 10 to part 9 using wooden dowels, then fasten the cam lock. Attach part 11 to part 7 and fasten up the cam lock. Attach part 13 to part 1 and part 14 to part 7. Incision of part 7. After that, fasten up the cam lock. Part 1. Attach part 12 to part 1 and part 7. Your cupboard is ready to use.